team, spread out. Check the suspension. Status of the engine bay?
Yep.
Looks like severe corrosion here. We'll need a full structural assessment. The diagnostic device is registering critical corrosion levels. Check the connections inside the main cooling vent.
The front strut looks compromised. Check the brake lines.
Copy. Looking at the calipers now.
Move to the rear. Inspect the diffuser mounting points.
The turbo hardware is heavily oxidized.
And look at these cooling lines, completely corroded.
Yes, and these belts will need immediate replacement. Secure the front wheel supports firmly.
Got it, leader.
And double check the strap tension on that front bumper, it's delicate.
Copy that.
Engage the winch, slow and steady. Engage winches.
Engaging.
Technicians, mind the teeth, keep it centered.
Watch the clearance.
Slow and steady, perfect.
The bumper and the paint are in rough shape. We'll need to assess the structural damage under these lights.
Understood. Preparing scanners now.
All right, let's get detailed shots of the rust in that front bumper. Documenting the wheel damage now.
Cracks on the trim too.
Excellent. Cross-reference everything before we start cleaning.
Keep working on the lower intake and I'll take the engine bay. Okay, leader. The intake is clear, but we'll need to hit those teeth again. Copy that. Keep the pressure steady on that spindle.
Right, boss.
Watch those brake lines, they're brittle.
Got it.
Increase the pressure slightly on the rear diffuser, but be careful with the finish. Copy that. Perfect, it's really starting to shine through. Outstanding work, team.
The front suspension is critical. We'll need to replace the entire assembly.
Copy that.
The corrosion on this bracket is severe.
The wiring protection is almost gone here.
This housing needs a complete overhaul.
The primary systems are drained.
Good. Start replacing the fluids and fit new filters.
Roger that.
Keep it steady. Watch the shield.
Got it. It's coming loose now.
Hand it over. Check the flange. Looks rough. We need new stainless sections. The transmission seals are holding, but check these mounts closely for excessive corrosion.
All right, looking now. The mounts are ready to go. Torque that final bolt. Verified. Bring it up slowly. Clear.
Lifting now.
All right, slowly does it.
Copy that. Moving it over now.
Watch the wiring on the right.
The corrosion is worse near the cooling channels.
Let's check the wire shielding here.
All right, let's lower the lift.
The intake manifold shows signs of microfractures.
Yes, we'll need to machine a new one for strength.
Agreed. The exhaust ports look good, though.
All right, start here. There's a lot of buildup around the main cylinder block.
Got it. Watch the blowback.
Just the intake. Looks good. Keep going on the exhaust manifold. Okay, switching to the brush for this area. All right, valve covers on. These polished bolts really make the blue block pop.
Looking good. The intake manifold goes on next.
Hand me the torque wrench. Let's secure this properly. Torque checks complete. Harness is secured. This engine is ready.
Measure this point here. Looks like a possible fracture. Checking now. Reading is high. Definitely stress.
The rust is really bad. Need to heat it up.
All right, I'll hit it with the brush.
Applying the coating now. All right, front control arm is free. Set it on the cart. I've got the sway bar link. These bushings look worn out.
All right, scrub off that grease. Now for the polish.
Yes.
Extracting the old one, and the new bushing goes in. Torque it to 70 foot-pounds. All right, verifying smooth movement now.
Engaging the dyno rig for suspension verification.
Cleaning the external reservoirs and checking dampening responsiveness.
Torque spec is 155 foot-pounds.
Got it, 155.
Brake lines clear.
Right.
Torque marks verified.
Right.
Drivetrain mounts secure.
Yeah.
It's approved.
Keep documenting. We've got the trim off the dash.
Okay, modules exposed. Prepare for diagnostic sweep.
The touchscreens are cracked, and these toggle switches are badly weathered.
Yeah.
And look at these corroded harness connectors. The circuit boards are damaged too.
The seat's high bolster carbon fiber shell needs to be completely disassembled to access the torn leather and worn foam.
The ignition console is ready. Activating performance protocols. Power on. Power engaging. Screen brightness check is active. All systems go. Graphics processing verified.
I'm getting a low reading here. Let me check the connection. Could be frayed insulation.
I see it, right near the relay.
All right, let's fix that. I'm getting a low reading here. Let me check the connection. Could be frayed insulation.
I see it, right near the relay.
All right, let's fix that.
Keep the high voltage line clear of the exhaust.
Using the flame retardant sleeve here.
Secure the clamps tightly. All right, careful with the angle. Got it. Torque it just enough to seat it. Perfect, it's flush. The wiring is secured. Now, for the final check.
All right, let's get these LEDs connected. Checking systems. Looks like everything is secure and flush. Good work. All right, initializing radar and camera calibration.
Sensors are online and receiving targets.
Good. Realignment sequence initiated.
Power up. Check. Status green. Excellent.
Excellent. All systems are green and ready for final assembly. Great work, team.
Looks good. Let's move to the pressure test now.
Verified. Everything holding steady?
Line that up just there.
Got it?
Now the clamp. Tightening it down.
The titanium headers are looking pristine.
Bracket welds are secure. Ready for installation.
Slowly, just a little more to the left.
Perfect. Secure the forward mounts.
Torque to spec, verified. Line up the trumpet. I've got the filter.
Hold it steady. It's almost locked in.
Verified. Moving to the left side now.
The transaxle looks clean. Shaft seals removed, filter swapped, filling with fresh synthetic. Check those CVs.
Line it up. Got it. Now the drive shaft. Handing it off. Fuel lines are clear. Connect the harness. The rear passenger tire is ready to come off.
Copy that.
Check the hub. I'm seeing a possible structural fracture here.
Confirmed. Severe damage.
The wheels are stripped of paint and refinished in a durable powder coat. We check every mounting surface for perfection.
Almost there. Good alignment. Torque set. Perfect. Looking solid, team. Let's get this spot. Hold it steady. Just a few more cranks here. All right, careful with the brackets. Make sure the alignment is perfect. Looking good. Just a final adjustment on these teeth.
Line it up perfectly. Clear.
LEDs are engaged.
Final trim in place. Perfection.
Every bolt is perfect. The clearance is tight. Suspension's solid. It's ready.
Need to be extra careful with these edges.
Just checking the angles here.
Mind the glass, seal it tight.
Watch the vents.
Engine bay needs more tape here.
Almost done with the wheels. Good work. The application looks flawless. Yes, the high build primer is perfect. We're ready for the next stage. Excellent. The primer looks mostly solid, but let's check the airflow intake. Move the wand in closer, Sarah. There might be a micro...
头你们看面个四面的起来。
After all that work, it's finally ready. A true masterpiece.
Nice, look at that finish. Almost done with the teeth here.
Perfect, no streaks. All right, looking good. Just a few more touches. Almost done here too. Beautiful job. All right, time to seal this monster.
Looks perfect, ready for the finish.
Just need to lock in the depth and repel water. Keep an eye on the overflow.
Levels are good on the gear oil.
Perfect, we're ready for the track. All systems checked. Sensor voltages confirmed, fluid temps stable, active comms across all modules are clear. She's ready to fly.
Suspension tests initiated. Positive. Steering lock to lock next. Brakes engaged. Checking electrical systems.
All right, bring it out slow. Looking good. Fantastic job, team. Keep it steady. Smooth as silk.